Mike. Mike. Mike is working. Mike. Just 1 second, guys. I'll be back a few minutes. Did you guys hear me well? Aloha, aloha. ¿Cómo estás, everybody? Hope everyone having a great day. Excuse me. Aloha, aloha. All right, guys. My hair unfortunately disappeared. So I hope you guys are not very disappointed. I hope you guys are not very disappointed. Nevertheless, it's not really my hair that matters right now. It's the trades, guys. How's y'all doing this morning? Did you guys get into a lot of trades? I got into some couple of trades. I obviously went in and out, and then I kind of got a little nervous about this market, guys. I kind of feel like the SPY is still not overdone. I kind of feel like the SPY has got some more juice to the upside. So any given pullback in this market, I was kind of like, you know what, maybe I'll try to go long. And that's exactly what I've done. And luckily, it kind of worked out in my favor. A lot of my trades as well on Apex, right at the start, I did a few trades. Obviously, a portion of that, I think about 30% of this profits that I made was actually from yesterday. And the balance of that was this morning, early this morning. I did not trade anything else other than these. Oh no, I traded, what is it again? I traded my funded futures, my funded account that I have. I made $240. So it looks like in the next few days, I will get another payout, and that's going to be the fourth one. And then one more payout. From there on, my funded futures accounts are going to go, unfortunately. Because I'm not allowed to load any account anymore. And they are going to shut this off, which is fine. Alright guys, we are getting some sort of a bounce. I'm on a pro account here. Alright, so I have not added anything. I just went one mini contract on this trade. Looking to see if we could get some more bounce. Hold on one second. I'm just going to take a look at the SPY here. Not the SPY, sorry. ES. ES, we just tapped the 65.16. I honestly kind of feel like, you know, the ES has some more juice. Potentially into the 55.30s. So I try to go long on a pullback, and it's exactly what I've done right now. So if we chop around here, it's fine. My risk here on this trade is going to be at somewhere in that 810, okay? So this is where I'm going to exit my trade, just in case you get a pullback. And that's a really deep of a pullback. So if we get a deep pullback here, I'll exit at 810. If not, then we'll just hold this throughout the rest of the day, right? Maybe I take it off at the initial high at 888, and then look to reload on a pullback from there on. It's definitely going to be an interesting morning, guys. We could chop around. We could get a pullback here as well. But again, my stop and my exit here will be the 810. Monica in the house. What up? Michael Johns, man. We had Adrienne in the house. What up? Adrienne in the house, man. What is going on, everybody? Well, great to see you guys again. It's been a long day so far for me. I had to sign off on a lot of checks this morning. I got some stuff done with the work. And yeah. Tony Gold 410 in the house, man. What is up, man? Guys, I am on a long. I'm long here at 852 with 1 NQ on my Take Profit Trader Pro account. I intend to try and hold this into this 880. Guys, 1 second, guys. Looks like we are getting a bounce. I'm also in a trade with my funding ticks as well, just so you guys know. I'm holding that off as we speak. I'm here as well. I'm gonna hold this. Where's my Take Profit Trader Pro account? There you go. This is my pro account. All right. My final take profit here will be 881. Guys, this will be my final take profit here. 881. Looks like we are going to kiss that level now. Let's see. Maybe I should just take it off right here right now. Hold on 1 second. No. Don't trigger. All right, there we go. I'm gonna wait till 885, guys. I'll take it off at 885. All right, so I'm in a trade with Take Profit Trader and funding ticks, and I got into a whole bunch of trades with Apex as well this morning, early this morning. So as you guys can see, my Apex accounts trades done a little bit early this morning, and I'm on a funding ticks right now and Take Profit Trader Pro account. Where's that pro account? There you go. I also traded my funded futures too. I made $240 on my funding account, so there's that. Keep in mind, take profit trader funded accounts are trailing drawdown, so you wanna make sure you don't give back all these profits again, right? So it's gonna be very important that you trade accordingly as per the trailing drawdown. All right, guys. Looks like it's having a little bit of a tough time. We are getting a push though. One more push and I'm out of this trade. All right, there you go. I'm out, guys. I'm out of this trade, and now I'm gonna go back to my funding ticks. My funding ticks, I'm only in 2. Jeez. All right, I'm gonna exit this as well right here. And here you go. This is 1. I took it off. All right, there you go. I exited all my trades. Even though I kind of feel like we've got a lot more juice here to the upside. I'm gonna wait for a little confirmation of a breakout before I can step into this trade. Hold on 1 second. I like the way it looks. I like the chart right now. The technicals looking good for the long. I'm just gonna be a little patient. No, it's not funded accounts. I'm getting there, Monica. Just I think today or tomorrow I get all my funding ticks account to funding accounts. So just bear with me. I am working very hard to get all my accounts to funded accounts, so I can really start to make some big, massive move from a P&L standpoint, and of course the payout as well. So I look forward to that. I'm really actually looking forward to my take profit trader more than anything else, to be honest. It's been a tough journey last month with my take profit trader, and I look forward to trading my take profit trader for the month of September. We still have another 25 days to go, so there's a lot of time here, guys. A lot of time. In fact, I have a calendar in front of me. I'm like, man, we still have 24 days to go. Like, it's a lot of days. You know, there's no reason to rush into trades. No reason try to bank everything just today. You know, we've got a lot of time. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Do not rush into. All right, guys. Nice little push. Nice little push. All right, guys. So just so you know, I've got what do you call this? I've got ES chart. I've got SPY chart. I've got gold. I've got crude oil. And on top of that, I've got the other stuff, other equities, still on my other chart as well. So my eyes are like back and forth between these charts, guys. Just bear with me if you see me rolling my eyes at different places. This is what I usually do when I'm in front of my desk in New York, right? I got a lot of stuff open in front of me, so I can take a look at those charts and make sure I try to make the right decision on my trades. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here. This is what I was kind of afraid about. Getting a little pullback here. 888, got rejection of that level. We're getting a little pullback here. All right, guys, 1 second. I'm gonna try and step in here now. I'm gonna try and scale in with micro. I'm gonna really scale in with micro here, guys. Micro trade back again, because I'm still not very confused. Still not very convinced. Still think we get some sort of a pullback here, don't we? 17 trading days still. 17. Oh, we only have 17 trading days. I did my math wrong. All right, guys, 1 second. I did my math wrong. I need to get my first fresh coffee. I had my first one, but it was a small little coffee that I had this morning. So how's everybody doing, guys? Do you guys want to share how you guys are doing this morning? All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here. My goal today is to try and see if I can actually get my pro account above buffer today itself, guys. Today itself. So I'm gonna really try and use my micro. You guys gonna watch me do a lot of micro trades this morning. And part of the reason is because I kind of feel if I get a little unlucky, we may see a pullback and I may end up holding a bag. So when I'm holding a bag, I want to make sure I'm in a micro trade, so I'm able to add to my position, ultimately going into my direction that I kind of feel this market's gonna go. I still think the SPY is going to push. So I'd like to see this market get a little pullback here into the 830s, and then really push it back up again, like a V-shaped bounce, like what we got here. I want to see something like this. What is up, John Joseph in the house, man? Charles Jolie, what is up, man? You making any bank? You making any bank? Not sure what that means. Flexter Morgan, what is up, everybody? John Joseph. I'm not using Ninja Trader. I'm using Tradovate right now. All right. Wow, what a great morning, guys. I feel so fresh this morning, and I hope you guys are too. Don't forget to smack that like, everybody. It only takes a few seconds of your time to support the stream. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, and this is the kind of a pullback I was looking for. So let's see, guys, if we get it down to the 830s. A lot of stocks are actually moving. A lot of stocks are actually moving. VIX still at $15. VIX $15. I don't know. It almost kind of feels like still a risk-on environment so far. SPY hitting that 649. I kind of feel like SPY could try to get it up to 650 something, 652, I would say. That's where you have this little minor resistance here at the 652. So I kind of feel like we still have some more room to the upside. Right? This is what I was kind of thinking right now. I think QQQ is gonna tap the 581, so I think we still have some more room. I'm not really sure if we're gonna get a pullback first, so we hit that now. So if we get a pullback here, I'm okay, and that's the reason I went scaling into my trades with micros, so I get a decent average cost, and that way I can hold. And as soon as the market reverses back up again, I'm in that trade with a decent sized contract. So all right, so the IEWM pulling back here. All right, thank you for your subscription, everybody. Thank you. Welcome to this channel, welcome to the stream. Great to see you all back again every day. Apple pulling back a little bit, but of course we had a big run in Apple, so a little bit of expected sort of a move in Apple. Non-event is just 0.5, 0.5%. So Nvidia 2% up, pretty good. Amazon up 2% as well. Microsoft is up 1%. So far all these are curling back up again, guys. Out of all this mega cap, obviously Nvidia looking pretty much the best. We may try to fill the gap to the upside at 171 on Nvidia. So while this market is trying to do what it's obviously supposed to do, we're gonna look to see if we get a little pullback here in this Nasdaq futures. Pulling back into the 830 would be an ideal spot for me to kind of like try to average in. All right, I do not see any signal that's telling me to like sell off, sell off. Small cap stocks are all holding so far. Yeah, not bad. The financials are okay as well so far. All right, so far not bad. All right. I kind of like the crypto. I don't know if you guys do, but I think I kind of feel like this crypto may be getting a bounce, maybe a due for some bounce in crypto. Right? I don't know what you guys are doing right now. Crypto, I kind of feel like it's creating a higher low right now. And the gold obviously hit that all-time high, guys, man. That would have been something if it went long last night on gold. This probably would have been the thing that we should have done is go long on gold last night and just freaking hold it. Hold it. We just never did that. So sad that we didn't know how to go. Somebody talked about the gold last night and I was like, you know what? Wow, gold is all-time new high, guys. Sitting at 36.85. Incredible. Incredible, guys. Good job, you guys held overnight swing on gold. It's too late for me to kind of hop at a gold train, you know what I mean? Like it's like all-time new high right now, so it's gonna be hard for me to get into that trade. But yeah, if you guys caught it, that's great, man. Bitcoin, I kind of feel like we are going to get a bounce in Bitcoin. He is getting a little bit of a rejection, right? But we traced 50%, now 61.8 Fibonacci as well. So let's see, man. I still kind of feel like, you know, we get a little pullback and a bounce back again. That's my idea. I could be wrong, but I got my stop here. I've got a mental stop here, 810. So take profit trader, pro account. I'm gonna really try and step into this trade with pro account. Looking for a pullback here into the 830s, and maybe we may try to overshoot a little down into the 810s, but that's where 800 is where I'm gonna kind of like exit my trade, just in case we get a pullback into that zone right here, guys. This is where I'm gonna exit my trade, but we got a long ways to go right now, so wait and see, guys. I'm with 2 micro. I'm gonna really try and scale into my trades all the way down. I'm actually placing all my orders now, all the way down here. This is what I'm gonna do, guys. Might as well do this, guys. I'm ready to step into this trade, guys. Well, wait, this is my pro account. I've already traded a whole bunch of accounts this morning, so honestly, I think at this point I'm probably better off just trade the pro account, try to take advantage of this market volatility right now. If you guys just got it right here, I mean, if you guys just got it now to my stream, to give you guys a little recap on what I did this morning and last night. I traded my funded futures, funded account. I made $240 this morning, and this is the funded account. This is my 3rd day, and this is gonna be my 4th payout on this account. This is only one account that I have that I can trade with my funded futures, and once I get to the 5th payout, they're gonna lock me out, so I can't trade my funded futures anymore because they don't want me to trade the same account anymore. So there I am, guys. This is one account, the final account that I have, and this is going to be my 4th payout. And once I get to the 5th payout, I'm done with my funded futures. So at least 2 more payouts, guys, on this my funded futures. I traded today. I made $240. I made a whole bunch of trades with funding ticks, so that looks okay as well so far. And I traded a whole bunch of my Apex accounts as well. Apex accounts, I traded a whole bunch. And yeah, I've got a whole bunch of accounts, over $2,000 of profits on it, right? So we're getting pretty, we're actually above buffer in quite a bit of accounts with Apex. So we'll see if I can actually hold my accounts for as long as I can. I would love to, but of course along the way, I'm not afraid to lose accounts. So it is what it is. You know, you gotta lose accounts. But my goal with Apex accounts are I want to target about 15,000 of payouts on these accounts all in. So we'll see what happens. I did not trade my my trade day funded account. Oh, excuse me, guys. And I did not trade my Vilanox as well. So I did not trade my XFA as well. I did not trade my XFA, guys. And I still did not get any emails from Topstep about the live account, so I kind of feel like I'm kind of protected to continue trading the same accounts, I think. All right, so here we are, guys. Take Profit Trader Pro account is kind of getting filled as we speak. I'm already with 4, 5, 6, 7 guys. 7 contracts here with Pro account. All of them got actually filled. Hold on, guys. Now I'm getting a little nervous. Oh man, look at this. Holy mochaccino, everybody laugh. What is up, man? Kelly, good morning, Tiger. What is up? I'm doing okay, brother. I hope you are too. Yeah, JJ, man, we've got 91% off. 90% off Flash 90. $17 in the Hala. Well, JJ, what do you think we should get? The PDS. What account? What do you think is the best accounts that we should be getting? What is your opinion? It's lunchtime, right? It's lunchtime. Green Key, what up, man? My hair, man. I just chopped my hair. I was like, you know what? I had enough of this crap. Nobody's liking that. Nobody was excited with my hair last night, so I decided to just take it off. Right? It's all about what do you guys feel, right? If you guys did not feel great about my hair last night, it is time to take it off and move on. Fundamental 50 is $17. But what's the activation, JJ? Fundamentals 50k. What is the activation? I kind of feel like PDS is also on a Project X, don't they? Or maybe not. I could be wrong. Let's just take a look and see if PDS is actually on Project X. They're not, but they are only in Rhythmic, correct? If I'm not wrong, because I traded Rhythmic PDS a while back. Obviously I did not trade after that, but Quantar, that's right. Yeah. All right, guys, we are getting a little pullback here with 10 micro contracts. We are getting a little pullback here, guys. Let's see. This is definitely getting very interesting, guys. This is what I was talking about. This market is very volatile. See, kind of feels like we've got some more leg here to the downside. We'll see. Everybody, I've got 10 micro now. I do not want to add to my position, to be honest. Not yet. Nvidia getting a rejection. Nvidia getting a rejection, guys. Let's see. Apple kind of trying to reverse back down. Tesla pulling back here as well. Oh, all of a sudden everything's not looking that great. The only thing that's looking good is Amazon right now. Amazon and Meta. And Netflix also not looking too shabby. Energy stocks pulling back here. Financials kind of chopping. Technology is probably the best one out of all. All right, not a bad. Still, nothing's really broken just yet. So, gold is pushing, guys. Gold is pushing. What does that mean, guys? If the gold is pushing to the upside, what does that mean for this overall market? I do not see any cracks just yet. So, and the gold is moving to the upside alongside the equities as well. So. I still feel the SPY is gonna get to the, what do you call this, 651s, 651s to 652. I think that's where the SPY is really trying to push it up to. We're still respecting the trend line, so we'll see, guys. I could be wrong. I'm trading this with an expectation we get a bounce off that 800 or maybe into that 770s. But I will exit my trade at 800 If we get a pullback all the way down to the 800, that is, and then I'll look to reload a little bit later during the day. So far, we have this trend line, beautiful trend line here. It's kind of respecting this, so maybe this could be the nice, beautiful support for us right now. I'm holding hard. ES not looking go, although it's bouncing right now. Seems like more downside left. Okay, we could, guys, don't forget to smack the like, everybody. I've got 10 micros here on a long-sided trade with Take Profit Trader Pro Count. Guys, I'm really looking for some nice little trade, guys. I'm really looking for some nice trades. I am gonna keep some contracts. I intend to add, not right now. I intend to add, just in case we get a pullback. I would, like, you know, I'm willing to YOLO my Pro account. If you get a pullback down to the 800s, I'm willing to YOLO. But I'm okay to hold my 10 micros that I've got right here for a bounce, guys. Not a bad trade so far, guys. I've got into a lot of good trades, not only last night, but this morning as well. And that continues here during the stream. Let's see if we can continue this streak all the way through the rest of the day. All right, guys. So I'm still holding 10 micros. Quantumscape. All right, guys, this market kind of slowed down. Slow market so far. Maybe everybody's gone for lunch. Guys, the SPY hit that 648. That's the VWAP. We got a bounce off the VWAP on SPY. Right? So we got a bounce off the VWAP support. There was a nice little pullback we got on a SPY into the 648. Now let's see if we can get a nice little push back up into the 880 on NQ, guys. I've got 10 micro trades. AMD, it looks like we are getting a little pullback here at AMD. We have a nice little support here at 151 on AMD. If that cracks, then I think we go all the way down to 135 in AMD, guys. Who would have ever thought AMD is gonna pull back into the 135s, man? We had a high at 190, I think, a little less than 190, maybe 185, and then we literally give back like 30-40 dollars back again to the market. AMD back to earth, guys. 130. I'd like to see AMD pull back into the 130s, man. 130s, and then I'm gonna try and scale into my trade on AMD. Look for a swing trade. JD, what up? Brian, what is up, man? A pullback is in order. Could be, guys. I mean, let's just not assume we are going to get a pullback, guys. This is the beautiful thing about me trading New York in front of a lot of charts open right now, guys. Obviously, you know, we're gonna make a lot of mistakes too, but I mean, you know, I'm just glad that I'm able to see a lot of different things here right now. You know, you tend to get into better decisions in your trading. All right, there you go. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to scale out now because this is a trading drawdown, right? So I took one off. All right, guys, I've got 9 contracts now. Let's see. That's the VWAP here. 860. Sorry, 865, I think. That's the VWAP. Hold on 1 second. What is wrong with this chart? There we go. So we are right now at 865. That's where the VWAP is, so... Let's get this push. All right, guys, there we go. I took one more off the table. Yeah, I think my VWAP is wrong. You're right. I'm looking at the other chart. It's got a different VWAP, so good catch. Good catch. I noticed that. Yeah, you're right.
Order working.
Let's see how we retest the 888 here, guys. Initial high. Let's see if we can get a nice, beautiful breakout now. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Are we going to break out here? 870. Are we going to get a breakout to the 890s? We'll find out. Guys, by the way, I may not talk as much this morning. I'll try my level best to make this as entertaining, but don't get too disappointed, guys. I will respond to your chat, though. I hope everyone is having a great morning. Great start to the day. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab another coffee, guys. I just bear with me. I just wanna watch this trade a little longer. Just want to make sure I'm on the right side. I want to see a break out of this level now. 875. I like to see this thing break out here and not get rejection. And do not make this a very disappointing trade. I'll get a coffee though, Ralph. Thank you, brother. Thank you for taking care. Stock Tiger. Great to see you all back again. I've got still over 100 viewers right at the start of this morning. Isn't that something, guys? And I thank you so much. I've got 100 viewers. My fellow traders, man. My fellow traders. Donna, what is up, Donna? I hope you're having a great day. This 100 viewers are my true fellow traders, man. Aloha, ¿cómo estás, everybody? Hope y'all doing well this morning. Jada. Duff Trader in the house. What up, Duff Trader? Guys, I'd like to know who is here right now. If you guys don't mind. All right, guys, we are getting rejection of the 870, which is fine. Like, my idea into this trade was that we will eventually get a break out of this 888 and then make another leg here to the upside. And this is what I got into this trade with that in mind. So if you get a pullback here, I will add to my position. and look to long with about 20 to 30 micro contracts. Willing to YOLO this account as well. So if we get a pullback here, that's fine. If we get a bounce, and I'm gonna peel my profits off the table and reload as we get a pullback here back again. We'll see, guys. Monica completing, this is gonna be our anniversary. 1 year with Stock Tiger, 1 month. We gotta do a big event, Monica. That's gonna get very exciting. I would like to know who is going to be 1 year with Stock Tiger. I wonder who would that be. I know Monica is there. I kind of feel like maybe we have Nick as well. I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out. You know, 1 year with Stock Tiger, guys. It's gonna be a huge, incredible journey. We're gonna do a big, massive event. Absolutely, man. We can't just. Guys, we are getting a pullback here. Again, like I said, I'm not panicking. So we get a pullback here. I'm out. I mean, not I'm out. You get a pullback here. I will reload, re-enter my trade. So far, I'm trying to swing within the intraday. All right, so this is what I'm trying to do right now, guys. I'm trying to swing my trade within this intraday. We are trying to retest the VWAP here in SPY, right? We tapped the 648. We are trying to retest the SPY VWAP here at the 648 again. Let's see if we retest. Do we retest or do we just get a bounce back again? Is this the trap more, I would say, bulls? The weaker bulls? So they're probably wanting the weaker bulls to just get out of the trades so this market can continue moving here to the upside. But we'll see, guys. We could get a pullback and then retest the VWAP too. So okay, like I said again, my idea coming to today so far, just based on the technicals, I kind of feel like buying the dip probably would be a better idea for me today, right? And that's where I'm coming from. So any given pullback here is for me to reload, and if we end up getting a flush and it keeps dipping to the downside, and of course I'm gonna have to exit my trade, and I may also end up losing my account as well along the way. But I am taking a stab. I'm taking a stab here, guys. This is my pro account that I've got, so I could be wrong. We gotta take our chances sometimes. Mike Key in the house, man. What up, man? Guys, I'm swing trading within intraday, right? I'm swing trading within intraday, so I'm not gonna panic of price action that's like within the 5-10 minutes, okay? So I could end up taking this trade off the table maybe during the power hour. So I'm gonna try and hold this for about an hour or two. Swing trading within intraday, guys. This is the idea today. Looks like a little bit of a chop, right, guys? Yes, on a 50-minute chart, still holding so far. I wonder what the gold is doing. Gold is still holding as well. The Bitcoin getting a little bit of a pullback here, but still a higher low for Bitcoin. Getting a little grind to the downside on the ES as well. We could get a pullback here now. Like I said again, I've got 8 contracts now. I'm only in one open position. That's the pro account. That's the only one open position I've got right now. Everything else I closed. Luckily I've got a lot of accounts in green, so all right guys, we are getting a little pullback here. 849 on NQ. This could be a flush down. Let's see guys, we could get it down to the 810 now. We are tapping that bottom end of the trend line. Let's see if that level holds. Yeah, pretty much pretty close to passing funding ticks. I've only got like a few $100s to pass. Already all the days are kind of like locked in, so I just need to get some profits on it. I'll probably do it this Asian market today. And then I'll have 6 funded accounts with funding ticks. And I'm gonna get my 3rd pro account probably tonight, and 2 more in the next few days. And then I've got my funded futures. I've got 1 account my funded futures right now that I'm still trading. This is my 4th payout I'm gonna get to, and then after that my 5th payout, and then I will not be able to trade my funded futures ever again, unfortunately. And what else I've got? Oh, what is this not showing up? Whoa guys, whoa guys, a blank. Hold on guys, what is going on? A blank screen guys. Holy mochaccino, what was that all about guys? Woo, what was that? Oh, I refreshed like 5 times. Whoa, that was pretty close. Holy mochaccino. What was that sound as well? And then what guys, we've got another one here. I did a bunch of Apex funded accounts trade as well. They're all looking pretty sharp. I've got a lot of accounts over $2,300 of profits on it, right? So look forward to that trades as well the next few days. So far not a bad looking trade day. I've got 1 account, a funded account, so I've got to trade that as well. Bulanox, I haven't traded that. XFA, I've got 1 XFA. I haven't traded that as well. I may have to trade a little bit later, just to kind of like count it as a day. We'll see guys. There is still a few accounts I've got to trade. I noticed that, so even after trading a lot of accounts. So all right, here we go guys, man. Trend line, are we gonna crack underneath that, or are we going to get a bounce? A swift bounce. Yeah, so the ES is not looking very exciting here. Retesting the 65.05. We may get a crack here to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised. Mike Key in the house, man. Pine Tree Trader in the house. What up? Kins Jin in the house. Monica, get it out. Sherry, drink key. Why can't you trade my funded futures again? I've told you guys so many times. My funded futures, I was supposed to go live, but if you're not a resident of Ontario, you can't go live. And they don't intend to put me back on the same accounts. So they told me you have 1 account, 1 Steam account, 1 Steam funded account you can trade, and once you get to the 5th payout, you're gonna have to check out. And I can't buy any more evals with my funded futures, unfortunately, because they can't move me. They can't move me to live, and they do not want me to trade the same accounts again. So that's where we are with my funded futures, and that's the reason why I stepped into the Apex accounts and a little more aggressively with funding ticks as well, to kind of like try to diversify myself, right? I hope you guys understand. 1-800 Maestro, did you understand what I said? I hope you did. Nothing really bad about it. I mean, you guys do what you guys do best. continue trading my fund futures as is. They're definitely a great company. I took a lot of payouts with my fund futures so far in the last 2 months, man. I think I took like I don't know, maybe about $15,000 payout, and those are all core accounts. You guys know what that means, right? It's gonna be hard to get, and more than that, I think about $18,000 I've taken out on a core accounts, guys. On a core accounts. So max payout is $800. Sorry, max payout is $1,000 per payout. I took a lot of payouts, man. I think I've taken like no, it's not 18,000. I think I've taken like 15 payouts so far on core accounts across the board. So yeah, I can't buy anymore my fund futures. I can't buy anymore, unfortunately. I'm done with my fund futures. But you guys continue trading my fund futures. They are definitely one of the better ones in my opinion. And just don't forget to use my code along the way if you guys want to support the stream. $850 here, guys. Looks like we're going to get a little pullback here, which is fine. Oh, Monica. Hey, keep it to yourself. No, I wouldn't want to do that. We'll see. All right, this market is kind of chopping, which is fine with me. The market seems like it wants to chop. Like I said again, 800. We're not so far off. We're sitting at 847 now. Looks weaker, guys. Looks weak. We are barely holding, guys. Looks weak. I kind of feel like we are gonna flush it down. I definitely lost a lot of drawdown on that. I lost like $500 drawdown on that pullback there. Do another one. Let's see, guys. I'm willing to take a stab, reload, re-enter, add to my position, go a little aggressive, and if I end up losing out, it is what it is. We are breaking here down. The EMA support finally getting a little crack here. 840. We just broke underneath the trend line. We'll see, guys. Suddenly it's not looking that great. Sir G, what is up, man? How is your day? My day is so far great, guys. My day is so far great. Yeah, I'm not gonna add to my position right here. I will add my position in that low 800s, guys. That's where I'm gonna intend to load, but not right now. Not right now. Just remember, guys, this market can move pretty fast, pretty quick. VIX pulling back here. Trying to hold VIX, but SPY pulling back a little bit. Makes me kind of feel like, you know, maybe we get a little more pullback here in SPY. I don't know.
Order filled.
All right, guys, my orders are getting filled now as I speak.
Order filled.
Just, guys, remember again, I may not speak as much, but I will definitely respond to your chat, guys. So if you guys got any questions, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being here this morning, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. Over 130 viewers now. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here with me. You guys must be tired of Stock Tiger. Oh, I'm gonna see this guy during Asia again. Might as well hang out somewhere else. Just in right in the house, man. Light low, what up? Fell in futures. Alright, guys, man. Looks. Whoa. This price action here right now, definitely not entertaining. Looking weak, guys. Overall, suddenly things are looking a little more bearish. SPY pulling back here, 648.5. We're still respecting the trend line here on ES and SPY both. On QQQ up about 0.6%. The Dow pulling back. Small caps pulling back a little bit. The gold still moving here. Are we running out of steam, or is this trying to grab more liquidity, guys? Are we trying to grab more liquidity? Is that what is this market trying to do? Sweep the liquidity in that 800 zone and maybe get a nice beautiful bounce. Is that what this market is trying to do? We're gonna watch and see, guys. 830 is here now. We're breaking down. Let's see if we can hold this level. 830. I'd like to see this hold though. Or try to sweep the 800 and get a V-shaped bounce back again. I think that's probably even better. If we don't push here, we will go to 800, Monica. Yeah, I don't disagree there. I don't disagree. Fell in, light low. Everybody, thank you so much. Don't forget to smack that like, everybody. On your way in and on your way out. It's time to add position here. I've already got 10, Monica. I do not want to add. I don't want to expose myself too much with my pro account. I'm really trying to see if I can put it this way. I'm trying to increase my probability of getting into a winning trade. So, and I want to give myself a lot of room just in case we get a deeper pullback here back into the 800s. Who knows, you know, we could pull back here into the 800s, and then next thing you know, we could also pull back all the way down into the 769s. This is definitely in the cards too. Back into the 769s as well, back in the cards. So anything can happen here. I want to give myself a lot of room so I can add to my position just in case we really flush it down. Okay, so that's my plan here. Yeah, how do you do that, Dan Emmons? I have no idea how to do that. Distance to liquidation column on your account tab. I don't even know how to do that, bro. Oh shoot. Hey guys, we're pulling back here 830 now. Guys, remember, I'm not scalping. I'm swing trading within intraday. Right? I'm swing trading within intraday here, guys. This is what I'm trying to do right now. Man, slow grind here to the downside. Incredible. There was definitely something that I was supposed to do this morning. I completely forgot what it was. I'm forgetting to trade my Bulanox as well. One second, guys. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of a Bulanox trade here on the funding account.
Order filled.
Let's see, guys. I'm trading my Bulanox one right here. Let's see if we get a pullback here. 800, man. That's probably where we could also see this thing get a pullback into. Do not tell me you're gonna actually give everything back again. We got a VWAP here as well, so.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. Here I am. I've got 4 contracts, 4 mini contracts on Bulanox master account.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, nice, guys. Nice trade. Bulanox funded account. Nice little trade. What the hell is going on with this chart? Yes, pulling back here, guys. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we may push it down to 800, guys. I could be in trouble on this one. I need a quick bounce on this. Wow, we are getting a push. Looking weak, guys. Looking weak. What is up with this price action?
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. There we go. There we go. There we go, guys. Mucho gracia.
Order filled.
¿Cómo estás, everybody?
Order filled.
Back into the VWAP, guys. I may have to just take this and walk away here. All right, I'm gonna walk away. 280 bucks. I'll just lock it in. This is really to count it as a day, to be honest. And I don't know if this flip is okay, but where's my account? Where's my trade? Where's my other trade? Where's my take profit trader? Oh, there we go, guys. Take profit trader is back yet. Who's that gentleman? Trade with Nick. Is that Nick from our the Discord champion? Is that my Nick? A good friend of ours. I don't believe you. You gotta prove yourself you are the actual Nick. I don't think that's Nick that I know. You're so full of shit now. You're not Nick. You are not Nick. Oh, okay, yeah. Now I see. I think that's Nick now. He drives the Lexus RX. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. All right, that is you now. I agree. Dan Emmons sharing the chart on our Discord, guys. Really amazing. Honestly, guys, like I said again, I'm swing trading my take profit trader. On my Billinox trade that I was in, I was scalping. But this take profit trader pro account that I'm trading right now, I'm swing trading within the day trading, right? So sorry, swing trading within the intraday. That's what I'm trying to do right now. So expectation is we also could get a pullback here into the 800. But I'm gonna try and reload, re-enter, bring down the average cost, and try to swing into the power hour, guys. Let's see what this market does. So while this market is trying to do its thing, I actually ended up trading my Billinox as well. Let me try and trade my Billinox again here, guys. Oh, look at that, guys. All right, guys, I entered with my another Bulanox account. I'm gonna try and reload here on a pullback. So here I am, guys. I'm scalping. I'm micro scalping on my Bulanox master account. So I entered with one mini contract. I'm looking to add on a pullback here into the 817 and 810, just in case we get a pullback all the way down there. Oh, guys, man, we are getting a pull. My take profit trader actually got order filled. Looks like it's pulling back here. I'm down quite a bit. Man, I only have $1,100 drawdown on this, guys. I may be in a little trouble. 1 second, guys. 1 second.
Order cancelled.
Maybe I miscalculated, guys. Maybe I have a little trouble on my pro account. We just broke underneath the trend line, but I mean, the important thing is my drawdown. I don't have enough drawdown to kind of withstand.
Order filled.
Oh, geez, guys. I'm in trouble now, I think. Hold on 1 second. Oh, man. Hold on. We're getting a crack here. Yeah, it could be in trouble on this trade. Let's see if we hold this. We just kissed the 800 now. Hey, it looks like it's gonna break here, guys. Whew, let's get a little bounce. Yeah, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Oh, this is gonna go. Let's try to hold this, man. We're cracking underneath the 800 now. Wow.
Order built.
Looking weak. I can't believe this. Let's see. Yeah, I think it looks like we're gonna break it down, guys, man. I don't really have a lot of drawdown now. I kind of feel like I only have about $400 remaining on this. So any given flush here back into the 760s, I'm gonna end up losing my account. Definitely a lot of pressure stepping in now. Oh, God. Off you go, guys. That's the 810. Is that going to be rejection of that 810? And a continuation of a pullback here? Or do we try to call back up again? Yes, looking like it's holding the trend line support at 6504. One last chance. Let's see if this is going to prove me right. 807, guys. Let's see if we get a bounce back into the 820s. Looks like a rejection there. Looks like a rejection there, guys. Oh, yeah, that's an algo selling, yeah. Let's see. We swept the 800. Let's see if we get a crack here underneath the 800 now. This is gonna be a big one, guys. Oh man, looks like a rejection or what? Man, looks like a rejection here, guys. Are we? Come on, hold it. Hold it. Safe stock tiger now. Come on. Oh, yeah, it's gonna go. What now, guys? Woo. What a pressure stepping in here, guys. All of a sudden, I miscalculated my drawdown. I definitely miscalculated my drawdown, guys. I think I made a little mistake, which is fine. Not the end of the world. It's We're kicking in that 800 now. Let's see if we get a reversal here, like what Dan just said. Come on, let's get to 820. Reversal. Are we gonna get a reversal here, guys? Oh! Come on. Reversal back. Ah! Ah! Oh, there we go, there we go. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Oh, maybe not. Woo! 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 I need a coffee, guys. A morning coffee definitely will help. I hope really, man. I'm really hoping this is not a rejection here, guys. We held the trend line on ES, right? I'm hoping this could be a reversal here. We tapped the EMA, sorry, we tapped the trend line. Nice, beautiful spot off the trend line here. Let's see if we get a V-shaped bounce. Back again. All right, guys, I think my order got filled there, guys. All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out of my trade on my Billinox, guys. I'm out of my trade on my Billinox. There we go. I'm out. That's really all I need. So only open position now. Oh, my Billinox master account got saved, which is fine. Now just back to my Take Profit Trader Pro account, guys. That really matters obviously the most. Now the matter of the fact is, are we going to hold this 813 now? We held the ES trend line at $6,500, man. That's a big level. We kind of held. We got a nice little bounce off that level. So now let's see if the ES, sorry, not the ES. Let's see if the NQ. Let's see if we get a bounce. The ES. Thank you everybody for being here today. I've only got one account open position. That's with the Take Profit Trader Pro account. Now the question is, are we going to be able to hold this, or are we going to break it down and get a rejection of this level now? That's a big question mark. Almost kind of feels like we got a rejection of the 820. Looks like we are breaking down as well. Oh man, it's gonna be a tough one. There we go, guys. We are back again into this level that we just talked about. I really wish that I had enough drawdown remaining on this account so I can kind of like try to withstand a little bit of a deeper pullback here in this. This account could go, which We are breaking down, everybody. Both ES breaking down to 65 underneath the 6,500 now. Wow, great guys. This account's gonna go. I've got 500, well, a little over $500 drawdown. I most probably going to have to let it go. I don't think I'm gonna be, well, if it's gonna go, then it's gonna go. If you get a bounce, I think this could survive into the 780s. I think another 20 points, pull back here. I think I could survive this. It's still a 50-50 chance, so we could see this thing pull back here. That's a big fat rejection of the 820, right? I can see that. But I almost kind of feel like, you know, we could see something like this, right? Oh man, what am I doing? It's like maybe a pullback here. Like a bottoming process. And then get a bounce back up again, right? I kind of feel like this is what it's playing out. So am I gonna be able to survive this trade? Maybe into the 780s I could survive. But if it dips underneath to maybe 760s, then I don't know, guys, man. This could go. My account could go if it pulls back here into the 760s, I think. But if we can hold this, level here and try to get a bottoming process bounce, then could be back again. But we'll have to wait and see now. I kind of feel like this is what it's trying to play out. I may also try to downsize my position on a bounce this time around instead of trying to hold this. So maybe a bounce into the 820s. I'll try to reduce my position, maybe back into like 5 or 6 micro contracts, so I can try to hold on to this trade a little bit longer. What do you mean? Where did the wig go? What is that wig? WIG? What does that mean? Finance with Diego. What up, man? Maybe the land L scalp. Yeah, maybe. What up, Jonathan? No, still got my business. Yeah, 100%. Joseph, we have 20 more minutes. Monica, Dan, Ammons, everybody, thank you guys for being here. Looking pretty weak so far, guys. Let's see if we can hold. We get a pullback here. I don't know. We'll wait and see. This could be the moment. Obviously, I'd love to save this account. Oh, okay. Sorry, man. Yeah. Dan Ammons, yeah. That disappeared. That disappeared. We need the hair. Yeah, I'm gonna get it back tonight, guys. Just watch me tonight. Asia market, you're gonna see a different stock tiger. Asia market. Okay. US market, we gotta get a little serious. Back into business. You know what I mean? Magical wig. There you go. All right. Thank you. I love you guys, man. You guys are the number one reason why stock tiger keeps trading on my live. All right, so let's take a look at this overall market, guys. The ES trying to get a bounce off that trend line support. trying to curl back up into the $6,500 in the hala. All right, so that's what it's kind of looking like so far. Dow trying to get a bounce. IWM trying to get a bounce. QQQ trying to curl back up again into the trend line. SPY trying to curl back up as well. Back into the 64.8. 648.37. I cannot add to my position, guys. I cannot do that right now. The VIX trying to get a bounce as well. Interestingly enough, VIX is trying to get a bounce. DXY USD kind of like looking weak. Lower high. All right, so let's see what this market does now. SPY trying to get a bounce, go back into this trend line again. Holding so far, let's see. Oh, let's take a look at the other guys. Uni. The structure is still not broken just yet, but looks weak though. Like MNQ, the VWAP at 778, right? The VWAP at 778. That's yeah. MNQ VWAP is sitting at 778. MES, the ES is just right underneath the VWAP right here. I'm trying to get a bounce back above the VWAP, 65.05. So this could be a chance for us to get a bounce right now, or we just tank all the way down again. From a larger time frame, we still have not really broken. It's just that on a 1 minute, on a 3 minute chart, looks like we've got just a little more room to the downside, but I don't know. We're gonna have to wait and see. The ES trying to get a bounce back into the VWAP, so. Oh. ES trying to call back up again, guys. 65.02. We have to get ES back over 65.05 now to look a lot more bullish. I think once the ES does that, I think the NQ will follow. RTY not looking as bad as well. RTY, guys. RTY 2390. Maybe we have a chance of a breakout on RTY as well. So a lot of stuff is going on, guys. A lot of stuff. I think Apple is gonna definitely move the needle, but I don't know if it's to the upside or to the downside. JV. Like I said, guys, we're above the VWAP on ES. Kissing that 65.04 now. Just a little more confirmation on ES is gonna push the NQ. Maybe we found a bottom on the NQ, guys. Maybe we found a bottom. Again, like I said again, guys, I'm swing trading my pro account. I'm swing trading within the intraday. I'm not scalping, just so you guys know. I'm swing trading within intraday on my pro account. RTY. ES getting a little rejection, including the NQ as well. Let's see, man. If we can push one more, if we can get above the 65 or 6 on ES, we get a little pullback. But I mean, the ES can get above the 65 or 5, and NQ get above the I think 825 to 830. I think we have a chance of a recovery here. But let's see, guys. This could be a dump as well. Nobody knows. A big level here, 820 on NQ. We gotta get a bounce. The fact that we got a bounce off that 64.95 on ES makes me kind of feel a little better, but I mean, but we have to hold though, right? I think that's the whole point. If we can't hold this, then I think we have a problem. NQ 819, we are getting a rejection here at 820, so a lot of stuff is going on, a lot of noise. Let's see if we can hold this. We really have to get above now. This could be the W bottom maybe. Or maybe this could be a start of a bigger leg to the downside. So far the large cap stocks, the mega caps are kind of like within that chop zone, to be honest. No real big massive pullback or cracks, if you will, so far, but gonna have to wait and see, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna have to stay a little patient on this NQ trade that I'm in with Tech Profit Trader Pro account. Pulling back into this 805. We are pushing it down, guys. Getting a rejection. ES is getting rejection of that the VWAP too right now. Let's see. Maybe this could just be merely a chop. We'll find out. NQ getting rejection too. Oh man. ES just scroll back up above the view up. Whew. This could be that is definitely a better sign. NQ trying to hold. RTY trying to break out of that 2390. All right, guys, let's see. Nothing really has broken so far, so we're gonna have to wait and see now. I'm gonna flush it down. We had a pretty decent pullback here in NQ, including ES, of course. ES is a big of a kind of like, you know, ES sitting here at 6502 now, kind of playing dirty in the VWAP. You know, ES breaking down into the VWAP and getting a curl back up again, bounce back down, bounce back down. Let's see who's gonna control now. Who's gonna control this market? It's gonna be the bulls or the bears right at this level now. 805, 800. All right, so let's wait and see, guys. Exactly, Henry. You're right. 100%. There's no tooth. Yeah, toothless. Yeah, exactly. Be great. Every time you tune in, hey man, it's all good, man. You guys fade. You guys be opposite trade. I have absolutely no problem, guys. I have no feelings. Come on. ES trying to call back up again now. Jeez. ES. ES. Come on. Show me that way. The only problem is I don't really have a lot of drawdown. That's the only problem. Right? I wish I had a lot of drawdown, but I really don't, to be honest. That's the problem, right? With my trade, we got a rejection of their RTY as well at 23.95. So we just keep flirting in that VWAP, guys, back and forth, breaking down underneath the pivot too on RTY. Is this going to be? Is this going to just push just enough to take me out and get a bounce? Maybe, you know, I've seen a lot of times the market do that to stock Tiger, but maybe this could be the moment. Like I said again, this account could survive into the 780s, but anything beyond that, I don't think this is going to be able to do it, you know? But I still kind of feel like this could be the bottoming process, if you will. But so far, man, it just doesn't look like it's holding. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to prepare myself with an expectation I could end up losing this account too. So this is the pro account, guys. This is the pro account I'm trading. We're pushing it down. Man, ES rejection, jeez, guys. Still above the $6,500, but I mean, still makes me wonder. What a whipsaw. What a chop here as well. Maybe a slow grind to the downside, probably. Yeah, I think it's going to take me out, guys, man. Unfortunately, maybe I get a little luck on my side right now, but yeah, I kind of feel like this could be a little bit of a flush down. Or do I get some luck on my side? We're gonna find out. 792, man. If you can't hold this, I think this will be a big flush. Boop. All the way down to 780s first, and then back probably down to the 770s. Don't really have. I've got 550 drawdown now. 550. So I don't know if 550 is not going to be enough to kind of hold this. Withstand another 20 points pullback here. I don't think I'm going to be able to survive, unfortunately. Man, it's going to suck, man. I hate losing pro accounts, to be honest, man. But I miscalculated. I thought 11 contracts is going to be good enough to kind of withstand 80 to 100 points pullback. But I don't know what happened. It's let's see, guys. ES trying to bounce off that 6,500. Yeah, it looks like ES is NQ is trying to pull back into the 778. 778. Are we gonna kiss the 778 in the NQ? Maybe get a bounce off that level. Maybe I try to overshoot a little bit more, extend it to the downside as well. And maybe get a bounce off that level. 770s maybe. We'll see. SPY curling back down again. I don't have any open positions other than this one account, so JJ, what up, man? Dude 45, finally! Dude 45 is here in the house. I hope you're having a great day, Dude 45. Hooka Booka. Kid Poker in the house, man. What up? Kid Poker, Captain Price in the house. Henry, Rick Raid. Everybody, thank you so mucho, gracias, for being here. Jeez, guys, man. Just looks weak, right? Yes. Just cracked underneath the 65. Oh dear. Get it back up again. Yes. Get it back up again. 65, let's go. Come on. Please, though. Yeah, this account's gonna go, man. What a slow grind, man. It's just a killer. Just kills you, you know what I mean? Like a slow grind just kills you all the way down. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Miscalculated, made a mistake, and down on this account. And this account's gonna go, unfortunately. It is what it is, guys, man. Sometimes it's gonna bound to happen. It happened right here, right now. And of course, I'm not very happy. But we'll see. Just slow grind, you know. Slow grind to the downside. ES cracking down now. This is like a Max Payne, you know what I mean? Like, this is like a Max Payne. Like, I hate when the market does this, you know what I mean? Just if they wanna take you out, just do it. Like, you don't have to be a slow grind, you know, a painful, like, you know, like if you want to kill you, just kill it right away. Like, instead of taking like a few hours to take you out, like slow grind, give you a little bit of hopes, and then it's like boop, one last punch in your face and you're done. All right, this could be the moment, guys. This is the moment. Everything, the ES, NQ, all really tapping a major level of support here, guys. If you break it down, it's gone. I almost kind of feel like we still have some more room. I mean, obviously this market did not get a pullback all the way down into the 790s to just get a beautiful balance. I kind of feel like it's still got some more. If you just flip this chart on the other way around, I kind of feel like there's one more flush down. I hope not, but I mean, it just looks that way. There's that selling pressure stepping in. I hope this is a bounce, though. Maybe save stock tiger. God. Oof. This is definitely starting to hurt me. I think we're gonna push it down. A little more just to stop me out. I think that's what this market's trying to do. I don't really have a lot of drawdown now, guys. I only have like few $100. So and it's gonna push it down towards the end just to piss me off. Just to piss me off. Oh man, guys, it's painful to be on this trade, to be honest. I'm gonna have to be very honest to you guys. It's very painful, and it's gonna be even more painful to lose this account after holding this for as long as I can. This is probably one of the more longer trade that I've been holding. Because we still have a chance of a bounce. Like if it bounces 50-50 at this point, so if you get a bounce, then of course this account's gonna get saved. So if I exit my trade and if the market get a bounce, then I think man, what a slow grind to the downside, guy, man. This slow grind to the downside is very painful to kind of watch. I mean, honestly, I prefer 100 points to stump, you know what I mean? But a slow grind, a pullback, it's a bit painful to watch. I think SPY still on a daily chart has a chance of a little bit of a more pullback. ES kind of holding, well, not holding. ES still broke underneath the 65, barely right underneath the 6500. NQ down to the 790 now. 778. What a slow grind, guys, to the downside. It was the sweep of the high that triggered a pullback. That, of course, I wasn't expecting that sort of a pullback. I thought we are going to get a bounce. And then a bounce off that 830 as well, and not get a deeper pullback from there. But we got a deeper pullback, and that continued throughout the rest of the day. And now sitting at 795. We'll see, guys. Probably could withstand another 10 points pullback. Anything beyond that, I think this account's gonna go. Let's take a look, man. I've got $400 drawdown. $400 drawdown. 450, 430. I'm gonna have to give up. Kind of like lose hope on this account now. Yeah, that kind of sucks, man. But it is what it is sometimes. Oh well. Oh well, Stock Tiger. Muka Muka. Stock Tiger is getting cooked. That's some bounce, guys, on ES back above the 6500. Is this going to get saved? That's a pretty decent bounce on ES. Not as much on QQQ. But ES bouncing. Let's see, guys. Do we have a chance? Do we have a chance? RTY actually broke out of the pivot here. It's 323.90. ES, sorry, not ES. RTY broke out, guys, man. I don't know if you guys are trading RTY, but RTY broke out completely. Now sitting at 23.92. Let's see. ES is trying to call back up into the VWAP here. The ES 6501. Enki trying to get a bounce. It's 7.99 here, guys. That's mucho. We could still get a pullback. I don't think I'm not out of the woods. But I'm gonna get ready to lose this account, guys. That's just from a mental perspective. It just kind of makes me feel better. Just in case we end up losing this account, just makes me feel okay. You know what I mean? Gotta get prepared for the worst. All right, so far ES is trying to call back up again, guys. 6502. Let's see, guys. We got an EMA resistance at 6503 on SPY ES or SPY ES. Enki trying to get a bounce as well. Let's see, guys. ES reject. Sorry, not ES. EMA rejection at 804. NQ. We have to call back above this 810, guys, to get a chance of a reversal bounce. We really have to. If we get a rejection here again, man, I think this could be capito. This could be done. What a nice bounce on the ES though, guys. Holy mochaccino. ES is a beautiful bounce of that VWAP here, sitting at 6502 now. Holy, where's my coffee? I need my water too. So dry right now. I wish I was able to trade my my funded futures. I wish I could have loaded more accounts. Yeah, there's too much pressure for me to do a little bit of rotation, if you will. Too much pressure, guys. Let's see if the ES get a rejection of the EMA, including NQ, guys. Here we are, the moment of truth. 805 on NQ and 6503 on ES. Let's see if we get a push, guys. Definitely Henry, yeah, I agree. That's why I couldn't hold. There's definitely a lot more airflow. 100%, I agree with that. Mustafa, what is up, man? Yeah, exactly. Just watching the drawdown. I feel like a loser. I'm like the drawdown king now. Watchdog. That's on my watch list. Take Profit Trader Pro Watch Drawdown. Man, RTY, we're breaking out. RTY, guys, looking pretty bullish in RTY. NQ, we just got above the very important EMA 806, and ES got a bounce off that 6503. Man, two beautiful green bars straight back to back. I like that, guys. Maybe we get a reversal. We're still not out of the woods just yet, but I feel a lot better. Like if I had 20% conviction that we're gonna get a bounce, now I kind of feel like we're in that 40% conviction. So I feel slightly better, guys. Still 40%, not out of the woods. We have another big fat resistance here, NQ at 823. 823 is another big fat level, guys, man. We've got to get above that. That's gonna be a huge level. And we have a massive major level of resistance on ES as well in that 65 or 7. So we got a lot of levels we got to get through past, you know, to feel better, you know what I mean, to get a little more convictions. Right now sitting at 40% conviction. I feel better, but it's still 40%, not even 50% at this point, guys. We got some big levels we got to get out of. This is gonna be huge, guys, man. We have to really get above some major levels. Yes, guys, man, 65 or 7. We're at 2 points away from that, and that's a massive level, guys. If we can break out of that, I think then yeah, then this looks a lot better. But so far we're getting there. We're getting pretty close. I think NQ's 821 is going to be another one huge level. 821, that's where the EMA resistance is as well too. If we can break out of this 820, I think we probably have a better chance of a bounce. Are we just gonna push it back down to the 790s? Maybe we could. Yeah. God, man, this market is just useless. Absolutely useless, man. Look at this pullback here. That's a big fat rejection of that level too. Let's see. I'm still holding. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. filled. Order 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 filled.
All right, there you go. 160 bucks on my XFA account. That was a pretty quick one. That's a pretty quick micro scalping here. I locked that account, so I'm out of that trade on that account. That was pretty fast. I don't know if you guys saw that, but that was my trade. There's a quick little scalp with the XFA. I'm done trading the XFA.
Order filled.
Trying to get my trade day account too in play. 2468 10.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, so I've got my trade day in play. I took my profits off the table on my XFA. That was 160 bucks in trade. I locked. I made a personal lockout on that account too, so that counts as a day. And I traded 2 Billanox funded account as well, both in the green. Right, so that I locked out on my both master accounts, my Billanox as well. And now I'm trying to trade the trade day, while this Take Profit Trader Pro account's trying to figure out what it wants to really do. Got my trade day limit orders in place, and I'm gonna wait and see what Take Profit Trader Pro does. Are we going to get a bounce, or are we going to get a big fat rejection here and starts to get a pullback, and Capito or Stock Tiger's account's gone? What is it going to be here, guys? I'm taking a look at different angles from a different perspective, and so far I kind of feel like it's 50-50 at this point. I still don't think we are completely broken to the downside, really, but but you know, we have a chance of a little more of a deeper pullback here in this overall market. That's just enough to just take me out and maybe get a bounce off that from there. So we're gonna have to be a little patient and look to see if we can actually get something out of this. While we were waiting for this pro account to play out, of course, as you guys can see, I got into a lot of different trades as well at the same time, and I locked those accounts as well. I'm out of those trades now, so the only position I have right here is the pro account, take profit trader pro account, and my trade day. My trade day is the one I just did. Lots of limit orders, so we're gonna have to wait and see how that plays out. In the meantime, my focus is back in this pro account. Look to see if we can, you know, hopefully get a bounce. So far it looks weak, guys. So we were definitely supposed to get a bounce. You know, when you say a bounce, we should have been this definitely should have been a V-shaped bounce, but of course we have not done that. So this could go either ways. We could get a pullback, we could get a bounce. We're gonna have to wait and see, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Cut zone, exactly, Dan Emmons. That's right. ABB, what is up, man? Alfred Haywood in the house. JJ, man, I'm tired, guys. I'm gonna go grab my coffee, guys. I'll be right back in a few minutes. Don't forget to smack that like. Few minutes, guys. I'll be right back.
Order filled.
Looks weak. Oh, guys, sorry. So are we just gonna get chop around here throughout the rest of the day? I'm gonna have to think about downsizing so I can try to stay in this trade for a little longer. I'm still not a believer that we get a continued pullback. Oh, look at that, guys. Rejection error. 795 rejection. Looks like we are gonna push. Damn. Just looks weak, guys, overall. We just can't get above this 810. We just can't. Oh, what did Alfred say? Let me just take a look. No curly hair. Yeah, investor traded evals waiting for 100 points. Wow. Market is going to be like this until Wednesday with the PPI news and then CPI on Thursday. Yeah. May have to make a little adjustments here right now. I have to make some tough decision on this account right now.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order filled. Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
Okay, so let me just try to do it again.
Order filled.
Reload. Reload once again. We just kissed, obviously, the 6760. I lost my take profit per account. We move on from that problem.
filled. Order working. Order working. Order filled. 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 Order working. Order filled. Order working.
Fuck, man, it's too much of a chop here, guys. It's gonna be hard.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, I'm out, guys. There's no point in doing this. No juice in this market, guys. No juice. Lost my Take Profit Trader Pro account, unfortunately. Very sad. Very sad. All right, everybody, I've got to get going. Thank you so mucho, gracias, everybody, for being here today. We'll see you guys back during the Asian market. I lost one account, and that honestly had to be obviously the most important one. Very sadly, a bit unfortunate, but you know what? It is what it is. I've got to move on. I've got to move on. There's obviously a lot of other accounts we got to trade, and our target, our focus. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you guys back on not a Sunday night. What am I saying? We'll see you guys tonight. All right, 6 p.m. Eastern time, everybody. Have a great day. Rest of the day. Be safe, guys. Do not lose account like Stock Tiger. Especially on a very important account like Pro account, guys, man. Everyone, love you guys. We'll see you guys back Asia market. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.